Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Ashley from xbackuniversity.com. And today, in this video, I'm gonna review a product called the X Factor Guide System. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. Make sure you give me a thumb up. And please also visit the resources section below and get the free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get started for this review. The X Factor Guide was created by Brad Browning, a certified relationship counselor. And when I first stumbled across Brad's guide, I thought it would probably be like all the rest of the X-Back products for sale on the internet. You know what? I was wrong. First of all, the X Factor Guide is easily the most detailed guide ever written on the subject. You may think that your situation is unique and no one can help you. Well, with this guide, that's definitely not the case. This guide has covered every possible scenario. It means that by the time you've finished reading the program, your questions are almost certain to have been answered in depth. The best part of this guide is, it provides hundreds of real-world examples on how to apply Brad's techniques. It also offers dozens of canned text messages you can send to your ex that are almost guaranteed to get a response. Brad is a certified relationship counselor. He reveals the sneaky psychological techniques that has been researched and tested by couples in the real world, plus dozens of unique and groundbreaking ideas that I've never read anywhere else. The statistics shows that over 90% of all relationships can be salvaged with Brad's guide. Well, that may sound unreasonably high. I actually tend to think he's being completely honest. Just check out his website. Anyone who applies his techniques is almost guaranteed to have their ex begging for a second chance. Brad's guide offers 60 days money-back guarantee. You can get it with no risk. If you're ready to get all of Brad's sneaky psychological tips and techniques, head over to his website and get it now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Alright, that's pretty much about this review. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out the resources below and get free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.